In this video, we will talk about how to make laptop like new again. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left side, click on System. Scroll it down, select Recovery. Under Recovery Options, click on Reset PC. From here, you can choose either of the option. If you select Keep My Files, it removes apps and settings, but keep your personal files, like photos, videos, and other documents. If you choose Remove Everything, it removes all files, apps, and settings, and make your laptop like new again. Once you will be on this screen, you can choose Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. I would recommend you to go with Cloud Download, as it downloads a fresh copy of Windows, and Local Reinstall uses existing installation files. Here, you can review some additional settings. Then click on Next, and it starts resetting your PC. So that's how you can make laptop like new again. See you in the next video.